Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time lived a girl called Little Red Riding Hood. One sunny morning, her mother gave her a basket with some food. In the basket there was some cake and butter and a bottle of wine. "Take this to your grandmother, please. But remember, don't talk to strangers." Red Riding Hood walked happily through the forest. It was a beautiful sunny day. There were birds and flowers everywhere. Everything seemed peaceful. But she didn't know that someone was watching her. Suddenly, a wolf appeared from behind the trees. He looked at the girl and said, "Where are you going, little girl?" Red Riding Hood answered politely, "I am going to my grandmother's house to bring her this basket of food." The wolf smiled. "What a clever little girl." "Ha ha ha ha," he thought. The wolf ran quickly to the grandmother's house. He knocked on the door.
"Who is there? Is that you, Red Riding Hood?"
asked the grandmother, and opened the door. The wolf jumped in and swallowed the grandmother whole. He quickly put on her clothes. He climbed into the bed and pulled the blanket up to his chin. The wolf waited quietly. He had an idea. Red Riding Hood arrived at her grandmother's house. She opened the door and said, "Hello, Grandma. That's me. I brought you some cake and butter and a bottle of wine." "Grandma, what big eyes you have!" "That's because I want to see you better, my dear," the wolf answered in a strange voice. Red Riding Hood came closer and looked carefully. "Grandma, what big ears you have," she said. "That's because I want to hear you better," the wolf said. Then she noticed the teeth. "Grandma, what big teeth you have," she whispered. "That's because I want to eat you," said the wolf, and he swallowed Red Red Riding Hood whole. Just then, a huntsman was passing by the little cottage. He heard a strange sound. "What's that?" he thought. "I have to check." The wolf was sleeping on the bed with a big round belly. "What's that?" thought the huntsman. "Oh, I see." The huntsman took his sharp knife and cut the wolf's belly open. Out came Little Red Riding Hood with her grandmother. thank you, Mr. Huntsman," they said. "You saved us." They were very happy. They had some cake and butter, some tea and wine. And Red Riding Hood promised,
"I will never, ever talk to wolves again."
What happened to the wolf? I think you know.